is the ultimate secret behind Trane's modulating furnaces? It's Trane's unique, patented technology that constantly adjusts the modulating gas valve. While other furnaces turn on and off like light switches, our fully modulating valve operates more like a dimmer switch, controlling gas flow with precision at all times. The result? A high-efficiency furnace that provides better comfort, tighter temperature control, and quieter operation while eliminating temperature swings. Our modulating furnaces offer a unique communicating feature that increases reliability and ensures your system always runs at peak performance. The innovative, quiet, variable speed fan dehumidifies in the summer for cooler air, providing you with exceptional, year-round comfort worthy of the Trane name.